Hello to everyone. Today I would like to tell you something about the speed losses. Speed losses of the machines, of the equipment. So what is speed losses? Speed losses, we mean the time lost due to one of the three types of the losses, and it is difference between technical speed and actual speed and actual speed. We can't forget because this is the technical speed, but just technical, but we can forget for theoretical speed. But this theoretical speed need special improvement. Okay, so this is one reason of speed losses. Second reason of speed losses is normal ramp up and of course ramp down. What does mean this ramp up, ramp down? I will explain later. And the third reason of speed losses is over ramp up and down, over ramp down. So what does mean this over ramp up down? It means when we use old equipment and we haven't original spare parts, and some cycles can be longer because you haven't original parts or you have some troubles. So you have different your equipment is different from the normal standard situation. Okay, so these three types are they are a reason of speed losses of your machines or equipment. Now I would like to show where is this actual speed, where is technical speed, what is theoretical speed. So we can see here, and this field is actual speed. We can take 60 per minute. Yes, 60 pieces per minute. Okay, I take this So this is actual speed. So we can see here actual speed. Okay, next, what we know is second is a standard speed. So this is a standard speed. Standard speed. What is next? Of course, next is a technical speed. What technically equipment is possible to give to us. Technical speed. Okay, so I take blue one, green one. Okay, so this is technical speed. We can give here, for example, 70 per minute, and here 100 per minute. And the last one, if we improve something on the equipment, this can be a machine maximum or equipment maximum, max of the machine. And this is, you know, what is it? Theoretical. Theoretical speed. Okay. It's not good. Okay, like this. This is theoretical speed. So we have 4 types of speed of the equipment. First is actual speed. It's attainable with present unrestored conditions. It's normal situation, but if we improve, we got standard situation, and after that we can reach the standard speed. So standard speed, when we want from the supplier, we usually have a technical speed of the equipment, so we know what is his maximum. So this is a technical speed. So technical speed is a physical limit due to interaction between machine and product. So for example, temperature, acceleration, reaction time, etc. And of course the theoretical speed, and this is about the physical limits of the machine. Okay, so this is like this. And now we can I can show you a calculation of the speed losses, because we know types, we know reasons of speed losses, but now it's time for the calculation of the speed losses. So for example, we have here a production speed. So this is production speed, and this is time, And for example, we have here 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and here we have a percentage. Okay, so 20%, 40, 60, 80, 100. Okay, and we have here this is technical. This is technical speed. This is technical speed, and this is standard speed. Here we can see standard speed here, the same color. This is standard speed, and of course this is speed losses. Between standard and actual speed, and technical speed, we have speed losses. This is speed loss. Speed loss. And the calculation is very easy. So we know that our production is 20 minutes. So we have 20 minutes. We can multiply stop percent, 100%, 100% minus standard speed. Actual speed is 80%, minus 80, divide 100, and we have the result. So I will take calculator and can calculate. So 20, okay, I can take calculator. And it is 20 divide 100. Okay, so for 20 minutes of production is 4 minutes speed losses. Speed loss. It's very easy calculation. And now maybe explanation what does mean. We know what is difference between technical speed and actual speed. This we can see here. But what does mean ramp up and ramp down, or over ramp up and down? Ramp up and ramp up down is very easy. Explanation. It's like we have a car, we have way and car. And this car, the standard speed of the car on the highway is 120 kilometers, okay, per hour. But this car can't reach this speed immediately. But it different type of car. If you have a very expensive car, you can reach this speed for 8 seconds. But normal time is maybe 10 or 11 seconds. So this ramp up mean time when I reach this speed with my car. And it's the same for the equipment or any machine. You need some time when you reach the standard speed. And the same is for the ramp down. If I want to stop this car from this speed, you have some special brakes, but you need some time when you stop your car. The same is with your equipment or with your machine. You need some time when you stop the machine, and this means ramps down. So when we look after for overramp up and overramp down, we can take again example of the car, and if we have old car, 10 years old car, and we know that this car is not so effective as the new car, and for reaching this speed, he need not just 8 or 11 seconds, but maybe 15 or 16 seconds, because it's old car with old spare parts, etc. And the same is his brakes are not so in good condition. So if you want to stop the car, ramp down is again longer. So this is the best example for explanation of this reason of speed losses. So I hope that you now understand what does mean the speed losses, and if you have any questions, please write in comment, and if you want a new video, please subscribe my channel. So thank you for the watching, and see you in the next video.